Okay.
Step back. Wipe your forehead. Let's go. No rush.
Honestly, I don't know why you're not sitting in this chair, being honest. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do I get my honesty badge?
They cool.
They cool.
Yeah. With the wedge.
You saying I need to take more notes?
It's good.
You gotta try to fry.
I feel like the tenders, they're crispy, they're juicy. I mean, the bites, they're crispy, juicy.
You're missing flavor, missing a seasoning.
It's good for you.
Here, I told you I wanted you to make it. Come
Y'all
on.
should get an 8.5.
Try the fries. You weren't honest about the fries. Try the fries.